Okay, so after learning about the plane and delay deformer, we are going to talk about some importer deformers which are very useful in Cinema 4D to create some beautiful motion graphics animation. So let's select this cloner. We will go to the effector again, and then we are going to use this formula effector. Like if you see in deformers, you will get the same thing like formula deformer. This is also similar, but formula deformer only works on one object, but this the effect on this cloner and some different objects. So if you go to the parameter, you right now the position is 50. We are going to delete that, and we will check out the scale to -1, let's say. And now if you hit play, you will get this kind of animation over here. If you want, then you can change this also, like you can make it 0 and you can simply delete that, and I can do that thing to rotation also. So if I hit play, I'll get this kind of wavy animation like this. And if you go to the effectors, then you will get the same formula over here also. You can adjust the strength of that animation like this. And over here you will get this I don't know much more about this formula, but if you change the value of this one, it's going to affect the animation portion of your object like this. So that's the one use of this. Now let's do, this is about the formula effector, so let's delete that. Now select this cloner, go to the move graph, and then we are going to talk about this push apart, let's say. And if you see the icon only, you will understand that what this deformer is going to do. So, and even from this name, so push apart, obviously it's going to push everyone from its center. So if I click on it, as you guys can see, nothing is happening right now. The mode is push apart. If you choose the scale apart, and if you increase this size, as you guys can see, it's going to affect the scale apart. If I choose push apart, it will push everyone up from the center. It depends on your radius, let's say. So this is how you can create this kind of stuff over here like this, and you can play around with the each and everyone. Like right now it's along with y, so it will do certain things on y axis like this. Okay, and obviously you will get this fall off and extra thing. You know how to deal with that right now. So I'm not going to explain that again and again. So yep, this is the use of push apart effector. Now we will talk about random effector. So if I click on it, from name itself, it's going to affect each and everyone randomly. Like if you choose out the parameters, so let's make this 0, and only y position I'm going to make it, let's say, 100. So as you guys can see, we will get not all of them are shifting towards the 100, but some of them even displays their position from even 0. So basically these are randomizing all of them like this. Even if you do this thing for scaling also like this, if you scale it down, you will get different results like this. Okay, and then you can play around with this with the help of deformers, I mean fall off like this, like this. Okay, so that's the use of random deformer, formula deformer, and push apart deformer.